Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the header and footer in MS Word. So what is the header and the footer? In Microsoft Word, headers and footers are used to insert additional information such as title, file name, date, page numbers, etc. on the top and bottom of the Word document. The presence of both header and footer in the Word document makes your documents more professional and easier to read as well as understand. Headers appear at the top margin of the document and footers appears at the bottom margin of the document. So now once you fix the header and the footer and the first page, it will be for all the pages of that document. To insert a header and the footer in Microsoft Word, we follow the following steps. Step 1. Open the new or an existing Word document in which you want to insert header and footer. Step 2. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the ribbon. Step 3. Click on either header or footer drop down menu in the header and footer section. So this is how the ribbon looks like. Now after this file and home, we have the insert, which is it is enclosed in the square in the black. Okay, the insert menu. So under that we have so many insertion are there. So there are pages, table, picture, clipboard, shapes, smart art, chart, screenshots, so many things we can insert in a Word document, but now our purpose is to insert the header and the footer. So click on the header and the footer option and then it will show the options. Step 4. Header and footer drop down menu will display on the screen with a list of built-in header or footer options. Select your desired option from the built-in list. So already there are many built-in options like a date, time, some greeting words, some page number at the bottom, some title. So many things are already built in. Even you can also customize whatever we wanted to add in the header and the footer. Step 5. A design tab with the header and footer option will appear at the top of the document on the ribbon as shown in the below screenshot. So this is how the design, we have the following steps over here. So under the design we have, when so many menus are there, header and footer, and then insert, and then navigation, and then options, and then we have the position as well as the close. So okay, when you have the header and the footer, we can adjust the header and the footer, we can insert the page number, we can try navigate between, we can insert some pictures and some date and time, and we can also insert clip arts and some pictures, and also we can navigate between the header and the footer. Suppose we had done something in the header, you wanted to see what should be in the footer, we can just move between header and the footer without going in the through the document. You can just go to the footer, then you can go to the header. We can just switch between the header and the footer. And then other options are available. Very important option here: different first page, different odd and even pages, and then show the document text. Actually what does it mean is, different first page means sometimes we need the header only at the first page, remaining place we need not have the header. In that case we can use the different first page. And then next is the different odd and even pages. Suppose we wanted to type the header or footer only in the odd pages, like first page, third page, fifth page, and so on, and sometimes we need only in the even pages, like second pages, fourth page, sixth pages, and so on. So we can customize the position of the header and the footer. And then the show the document text means, suppose if you wanted to, if it is checked, if it is tick is there, that means you can see the document text, otherwise you cannot see the document text. Document is the body of the Word document. And then positions 0.5 header, 0.5 footer. So we can adjust the size of the header and the footer, and accordingly we can place the elements in the header and the footer. And then finally we have the close header and the footer option. So once everything, the design is done, we can close the footer and the header option. Okay, so this is how we have to insert the header and the footer. And step 6, type your desired information into the header and the footer section. And step 7, once you type your desired text in the header section, click on the close header and the footer under the design section on the ribbon and press the escape key from the keyboard to remove the dotted underline. Now you can see the header is inserted into the Word document, header or footer. Okay, so that's all. This is how to insert the header and the footer, then how to remove it. In order to delete the header and the footer from the Word document, so what you have to do is to delete it, follow the steps. Go to Insert tab on the ribbon and click on the header and the footer option, just you have seen before, and header and the footer dialog will appear on the screen. Click on the remove header or the remove footer option. If you click on that, you can remove the header and the footer. So that's all the simple concept of header and footer. This header and footer helps to see our document in a neat manner. What are all the common things you wanted to place on the header, we can place, and also we can, like for the footer, like who did the work, the author of the particular document, when it was done, what is the publisher's name, like that. Whatever you want to, you think, we can design, customize into the footer. So that's all. Thanks for watching.